Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Whoop, Bevel, and Athlytic. Whoop, Bevel, and Athlytic all use biometrics to guide fitness and recovery, but they serve different roles. Whoop is a fitness wearable that focuses more on recovery and overall health than just steps or calories. It tracks your sleep, heart rate, strain, and recovery to give daily insights on how ready your body is. The brand itself has no screen, so all data shows up in the app, which is clean and detailed. It's great for athletes or anyone serious about optimizing performance, but casual users may find the monthly subscription pricey. Bevel AI is a wellness app that connects with your smartwatch to track sleep, recovery, stress, and overall health, giving simple guidance on when to rest or push harder. Many users like it because it brings all key health data into one clean and easy-to-read app instead of juggling multiple platforms. The interface is smooth and beginner-friendly, so even people who aren't very tech-savvy can understand their insights. However, some features like nutrition tracking and AI coaching are still a work in progress, with occasional bugs or advice that feels off. Athlytic is a fitness app that works with Apple Watch to show your recovery, exertion, sleep, and heart rate in a simple way. It helps you know whether to push harder in workouts or take a rest day. Many people like that it gives clear, easy-to-read insights instead of just raw numbers. Some users feel the recovery or sleep scores can be a bit inconsistent at times. Overall, Whoop is the best for serious athletes wanting the most reliable tracking. Athlytic is the best value for Apple Watch users, and Bevel is best for simple, intuitive health insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.